Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do cache files on the CapCut PC. So you can just open your CapCut and don't need to open any projects in your CapCut PC. You just need to go straight to the settings. So click on the settings or the gear icon at the top here and click on the settings menu. Okay, see, so here on the project tab, you'll easily spot the cache size. So this is my current cache files in my CapCut PC. And to easily remove or clear it, you can just click on this trash icon. Click on that and click on OK because it will not affect the history project. So you can just click on OK. And after that, CapCut will remove the cache file. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.